Hello again, it's Louie for UHS Hardware. This video will cover downloading and installing the firmware update if you need it. You're going to plug in your computer and the Condor unit, power them both up and connect the USB cable from the PC to the key cutting machine. Go to the search bar located in the bottom left corner of the screen next to the Start menu. Click the bar and enter Windows Security Settings. Once in the security settings, select Virus and Threat Protection. After it opens up, click all toggles to the off position. Although this seems strange, it's necessary to keep Windows from misreading the download file and deleting it once it's on your computer. Note, any antivirus software that you have installed on your computer must be turned off or paused for the install to succeed. Go to www.uhs-hardware.com and locate Downloads in the footer of the page. Scroll down to Export Tools and find the Condor update. And begin the download process. Once the file is downloaded, open it up and find the update file, upgradekit.exe, and click it open. The updater should launch immediately and begin its process. There may be a software update for the updater itself, so just hit continue until all changes are made. Once the update finishes, confirm the correct firmware version by clicking the Find Device once more and waiting for the info to update. Once you're complete here, we can start making a key. Continue to the next video to learn how to make a key by code, or if you missed the first video, how to unbox and set up your Dolphin machine, head back to the first video in this series.